Hi there, this is Angel with Tech Tutelage, and in this video I will show you how to switch between different desktop environments and how to speed up your remote desktop connection. I'll be doing this on Ubuntu Server on Oracle Cloud with pre-installed XRDP server and XFace desktop environment. I built that environment a couple weeks ago in another video. If you haven't seen that video, you can go ahead and check it out before you continue. But even if you don't, you should be able to follow along. This should work on pretty much any Ubuntu or Debian server. The first thing I'm going to do is just kind of show you where we left off last time. So we basically have our Ubuntu server running. We have XRDP installed and we can connect our remote server with our root user. And as you can see, we have our XFace desktop environment. So I'm going to go ahead and log out from here. And then the next thing that we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and start a tool that we installed last time called tasksell. Once we have this started, from here we can select the desktop environment that we want to install. So last time we installed XFace, but we run it from the command line, so that's why it's not showing checked here. If we would have installed it through this tool, there was going to be a little asterisk in front of it. So I'm going to go down, and for this video I'm going to install the KDE Plasma, and I'm going to install another lighter desktop environment, that LXDE. And you can choose any one you want from here, but I'm just going to do these two. So then you can go on OK and click enter. And this process is going to take probably like maybe 5 to 10 minutes. So I will be back when it's done. All right, now that we have our desktop environments installed successfully, we can go ahead and open our xsession file. And if you remember from the last video, this is the file that we instruct our user which desktop environment to enter when remote into the server. So I'm going to go with nano. And I'm going to go to xsession, and here last time we set it up to enter the XFace desktop environment, but now I'm going to comment this out and I'm going to enter the LXDE. So I'm going to say start LXDE, and I'm going to go ahead and save the file, and then I'm going to go ahead and restart my XRDP server. So systemctl restart XRDP, and then I'm going to go ahead and try to connect to it. And there you go. Now we have our XLDE desktop environment running. So I'm going to go ahead and log out just to show you another one. Go ahead and log out. Again, we're going to go back to our xsession file, and I'm going to comment out the LXDE, and I'm going to start the KDE Plasma. So to do that one, I have to type start plasma-x11. Again, save the file. And I'm going to restart my XRDP server again. I'm going to go ahead and connect. Now, because the KDE is much heavier desktop environment and I'm remoting into the Oracle Cloud, the connection will be pretty slow. I don't know if it's because of my internet connection. It shouldn't be, but it's running very slow. I mean, the other two are slow, but this one is extremely slow. Like if you notice, if I click here, it takes like, geez, almost half a minute to open. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to speed it up a little bit. And to do that, you're going to want to go to settings and then scroll down here and go to system settings. And I clicked on it, as you can see, but it's pretty slow. So once you open that, you can go ahead and click on, where is it? Go ahead, scroll down and click on display and monitor, and here we're going to go to compositor. We're going to turn the compositing off, and so what I'm going to do here is uncheck this and click on apply, and this should make it faster. But if you notice, like, it doesn't look like it's any faster, even though, you know, I applied it and it acted like it did something. So what you're going to want to do is restart your server. So I'm going to go ahead, close this window, and then I'm going to go and log out, and then log out from here. Yeah, I can see how slow that is. So I'm going to click here, and so now that I logged out, I'm going to go ahead and reboot this, the whole server. So I'm going to type reboot. And now that I have this rebooted, I'm just gonna give it a minute or so to come back up, and then I'm gonna go ahead and try to connect to it again. Let's see, is it? I think it should be back up and running by now, so let's give it a try. I'm gonna try to SSH into it again. Alright, so we're back in. So I'm gonna try to remote the desktop into it again. And it should be much faster now. Again, it's not going to be like you're running it on your local computer, but it will be much faster than what it was. So now if I go, click here, see it opens much faster. Like, let's see, I can click here to open this. I can move the window around. It is much faster. I mean, it's still a little bit slow, but it's much faster than what it was. And that's pretty much with this video. If you have any questions, please post it in the comment section under the video. Pretty straightforward. Again, it's a continuation of a previous video. I hope it was helpful to you. And if you liked it, click on the like button. If you want to see more of my videos, please subscribe for my channel. Thank you for watching.